We hear your frustration about the rising cost of living in the Tampa Bay area. ABC Action News is committed to helping your family navigate the issues that come with the rising price of paradise.
Yeah, damage from last year's storm season is still all around us, and for many of you, it's because your insurance companies didn't cover that damage, and there could be many reasons why your insurer didn't cut you a check.
This morning, ABC Action News anchor Nadine Yanis is digging deeper into those denials. For thousands of homeowners, the hurricane deductible was simply too high.
As winds from Hurricane Milton roared outside of Chad Zalva's Riverview home, his screen door nearly ripped off its hinges.
Like back and forth, like that. So
He's now in another back and forth battle.
then there's this the soffit of the house that flew off.
This time with his insurance company,
Of course, there was a lot more branches. Stuff had flown off, and
trying to get his hurricane damage fixed.
pretty much hope and pray that I can get some help from the insurance. But unfortunately, my deductible's like outrageous.
The damage not detrimental, but also not enough to get a check from his insurance company.
I was like, this is insanity.
His claim denied because it was under his high deductible of $7,200.
Do you have that money like sitting around?
No, not at all.
This single dad laughs it off, but it doesn't shake off the worry he has, not just affording the price of paradise, but affording everyday life for his kids.
Just trying to provide the best for my kids and have a roof over their head, but I just need to get the repairs done.
After a divorce, he started over here in this modest Riverview home and picked the lowest insurance rate he could find.
I did go for the lower amount.
Not realizing
But the lower amount of rates probably means a higher deductible.
Skyrocketed deductible, yeah, unfortunately.
In fact, new data from the State Office of Insurance Regulation shows in Hurricane Milton, which was a wind, not a flood event that led to a lot of denials, still nearly 50% of all claims closed were closed without payment, simply denied. And 40% of those that were closed without payment so far were closed because those claims came in below the deductible.
Your reaction when you hear that there are a lot more people in the same position you are in right now?
They're just making straight profit off that, so it's definitely frustrating, and they need to do something about it.
So we asked if something could be done.
So I'd be remiss if I didn't get a Nadine question in there.
From the state's insurance commissioner himself.
She's hearing from consumers is there's a lot of concern about deductibles and how high they are.
And the state's largest insurer, Citizens Insurance.
I think that's where people feel like insurance is set up as a scam.
Answers in my story tonight. In Riverview with photojournalist Josh Whitson, I'm anchor Nadine Yanis.